Hi friends, welcome to SB Prediction UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction Sunday 23 February 2025. Today UK 49's lunchtime prediction first number 28, number 19, number 40, number 9, number 34, booster number 26. Join YouTube channel membership 99% accurate prediction member only. Join YouTube channel membership now. Join only level 3 UK 49C hot number 99% accurate prediction 3 hot number. Join only level 3 UK 49C hot number. Join now. Today UK 49's tea time prediction number first number 7, number 22, number 17, number 38, number 47, booster number 11. UK 49's lunchtime and tea time prediction complete. Like, share, comment and subscribe this YouTube channel now.